How to make a simple clicking button in HTML. I'm Ahmad Royhan Kamil. Let's start it. First, you create a new file HTML and make an HTML structure. After that, make a button tag, and then make a style for a button. Inside style is padding, background color, portrait none, box shadow, color, and border radius. Make the best style for a button. Make button active. Inside that is margin top and margin left, and I forgot to make cursor pointer. After that, make shadow is 0, 0, 0 and white. And yeah, a simple button is work. And that's it. Thank you.